Hey everyone, mark your calendars for August 22nd. DMG Boxing and Bash Boxing, in association with Fightbook.com, are hosting the Butterfly Brawl, which is taking place on the iconic Santa Monica Pier. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a great night of fun, fights, charity, and community. And 100% of the net proceeds will be donated to Teen Cancer America. We also have registration currently open for any fighters wishing to fight on this card. It's a great opportunity to showcase your skills, and you must go to fightbook.com to register in order to be considered for this. Last but not least, we have Chantel Navarro, who is the WBC Super Bantamweight Youth Champion, headlining the event. So it's just going to be an awesome night. I hope I get to see you there, as always. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I hope I get to see you there.